Mathematics 2A Part 8. Part 8. Today discussed topic is independent term. What is the meaning of independent term? Independent term nothing but constant term or the coefficient of x power 0. The coefficient of x power 0 is called independent term or constant term in the x function. Here in this problem you can do that first you can find a general term. After that the power of x equal to 0, then that term is constant term. That constant term is called here independent term. First of all, what is the question? Find the independent term, independent of x in the x function. What is the x function? You can write x function. X function is 3 by cube root of x plus 5 root x all power 25. This one is the x function. This x function comparing with x plus a all power n. X plus a all power n. Then x is equal to 3 by cube root of x, a is equal to 5 root x, n is equal to 25. Here x is equal to 3 by square root cube root of x, a is equal to 5 root x and n is equal to 25. After that general term of the x function x plus a all power n is, what is the general term of x plus a all power n? Tr plus 1 is equal to ncr x power n minus r a power r. This is the general term of the x function x plus a whole power n. In this general term you can substitute x value, a value, n value, you get what? Here suppose this is 1, in equation 1 substituted x is equal to 3 by cube root of x and a is equal to 5 root x and n is equal to 25. After that 1 implies tr plus 1 is equal to ncr nothing but 25 cr x power 3 by cube root of x all power n minus r. N value what here? 25 minus r into a power r. What is the value of a? A value is 5 root x all power r. After that here you can substitute a general term x value, a value, n value. After that we can x function variable terms, constant terms separately. Here you can write tr plus 1 is equal to 25 cr. Here 3 power separated power 3 power 25 minus r by cube root of x. Cube root of x all power 25 minus r into here 5 power r into square root of x all power r. Here 5 power and square root of x all power r. After that tr plus 1 is equal to 25 cr. You can write 3 power 25 minus r is constant. Here cube root of x nothing but x power 1 by 3. Here x power 1 by 3 nothing but cube root of x all power 25 minus r into 5 power r into, what is the meaning of square root of x? Square root of x nothing but x power 1 by 2. X power 1 by 2 all power r. Here you can write square root of x value x power 1 by 2, cube root of x value x power 1 by 3. After that separated constant terms, 25 cr is the constant, 3 power 25 minus r also be constant, 5 power r also be constant. Here x power m whole power n. A power m whole power n form is there. A power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. This one is a exponent formula. We can write formula x power 1 by 2 into r, nothing but r by 2 whole by, here x variable is there, x power m whole power n formula is x power 25 minus r by 3. 25 minus r by 3. After that you can write tr plus 1 is equal to 25 cr 3 power 25 minus r 5 power r. You can write this x, here x power positive is there. This is the denominator. This denominator goes to numerator. The sign of the power is changed. What is the sign of power here? Denominator positive. Here this denominator goes to numerator. You get a negative x power r by 2 into x power minus of 25 minus r by 3. 25 minus r by 3. Correct or not? Here this is the denominator. The denominator power having positive. This denominator goes to numerator. Compulsory the sign of the power is changed. Positive comes to negative. After that 25 cr 3 power 25 minus r 5 power r. Here these three terms are constants. Here bases are equal. Bases are equal, power should be added. Here what is the power of first one? R by 2 minus 25 minus r by 3. After that 25 cr 3 power 25 minus r is constant, 5 power r is constant. Here take LCM. What is the LCM of 2 comma 3? 2 comma 3 LCM is 6. Here 2 comma 3 are prime numbers, then LCM is 6. You can multiply these two. 3 into r 3r minus 2 of 25 minus r. Here this r multiplied with 3, this numerator multiplied with 2. After that 25 cr 3 power 25 minus r 5 power r x power 3r minus 2 into 25. How much? Minus 2 into 25 minus 50 minus into minus plus 2 into r 2r all by 3. After that 25 cr 3 power 25 minus r 5 power r x power 3r plus 2r 5r minus 50 by 3. Here 25 cr is the constant. 3 power 25 minus r also be constant. 5 power also be constant. Here this one is only variable. This one is only variable. Suppose the variable power, this variable power equal to 0, x power 0, x power 0 value 1. That's why constant into constant into constant into 1 also be constant, you get a constant term. Constant term nothing but independent term. Okay, here this total term is constant. The power of x equal to 0. The power of 5r minus 50 by 3 equal to 0. Suppose the power of x equal to 0, x power 0 value is 1. This total value is constant term. Constant term also be called independent of x. Right. You can write here 5r minus 50 equal to 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 0 how much? 0. 5r equal to plus 50, r equal to 5 ones are 5 tens are, you get r value is 10. R value is what here? 10. Suppose this is equation number 2. Substituted r value 10 in equation 2. In equation 2 you get what? T 2 implies T r value is 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 25 C10 3 power 25 minus 10. Here 25 minus r value is 10 into 5 power 10 into x power 5 into r. R value is what here? 10. 5 into 10 50 minus 50, 50 minus 50 get cancelled, you get 0 by something, 0 by something value is 0, x power 0 value is 1. You can write here 1. After that, you can write x power 50 minus 50 by 3, 50, 50 get cancelled, here 25 C10, 3 power 25 minus 10 value, 15, 5 power 10 into x power 0 by 3, nothing but x power 0. X power 0 value is 1. You get a T11 is equal to 25 C10, 25 C10, 3 power 15 into 5 power 10 into 1. Here this one is a constant term. This constant term also be called independent term. Therefore, independent of x is 25 C10 3 power 15 into 5 power 10. This is the independent of x in the expansion of 3 by cube root of x plus 5 root x whole power 25. This is a way of do that independent assignment problems or homework problems. Read the problem. Find the term independent of x in the following expansions. This one is the first one. What is the first one? Square root of x by 3 minus 4 by x square whole power 10. In this expansion in the form of x minus a whole power n, x value is square root of x by 3, a value is 4 by x square, n value is 10. You can write general term. General term is minus 1 whole power r. Here in the expansion of x minus a whole power n, general term is what? Minus 1 whole power r, NCR, x power n minus r, a power r. This is the general term. In the general term, you can write x value, a value, n value. Here the power of x, next the power of x equal to 0, you get r value. That r value substituted in general term, you get a constant term. That constant term is called independent term. Similarly, second problem, this is in the form of x plus a whole power n. What is the general term of x plus a whole power n? What is the general term of x plus a whole power n? Tr plus equal to NCR x power n minus r a power r. In this expansion, you can write in place of x 4x cube, in place of a 7 by x square, in place of n 14, you get a general term. The general term, the power of x equal to 0, you get r value. That r value substituted in general term, you get a constant term, that is independent term. Next problem is a similar model. X value is 2x square by 5, a value is 15 by 4x, n value is 9. Substituted general term in the expansion of x plus a whole power n, you get separately constants and x values. The power of x equal to 0, you get r value. You get r value. That r value substituted in general term, you get independent term or constant term. Here suppose r value is not a integer, r value suppose fractional form, p by q form, rational number. That r value cannot be defined. Suppose r value 4 by 3, that is no independent term cannot be determined. Here r value lies between 0 to n only. R value lies between 0 to n only. Here n is a positive integer. Only positive integers can be possible in expansion of the general term, independent term or constant term. Okay, thank you.